Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your WooCommerce website into an Android app without writing a single line of code. And it's absolutely free. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will be able to create and customize your app in just 5 minutes. So this is the website which we are created with WooCommerce, and this is the Android app for the same website. And you can see this is a very beautiful Android app which is away. You can upload this app on Play Store, and you can see all the native Android functions are available on this app, and all this is free and the customer can use like a native Android app. You can see here the customer can check out here. They can click on the checkout option and they can complete the payment. To do this, go to the plugin section, click on add new plugins and search for the plugin build app online, and you can install the plugin which is available on the WordPress plugin directory, and it is free. You can activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you can go to the WooCommerce settings and go to the advanced tab and click on REST API section. There you can create an API key. You can give the description for your app. You can give your app name there, and you can select the permission read and write. Okay, now come to this website. The link I will give on the description box below, and you can just enter their URL and you can give your app name and you can give your secret key and all these things. Then you can upload all the files as you are seeing in the video. You can upload the logo icon and the splash image. All these things you can upload on here, and you can change the splash color. You can change the splash background color. Here you can adjust the color. Once you are done that, you need to upload a Google service file. To do that, go to the Firebase console and you can create a project there. Click on create a project and you can add a project name. You can add any name there. Once you add that, click on continue. Then click on continue and you can select your Google account and you can create the project. Once you are done that, select the Android option from the list as you are seeing in the video. Then just copy this code and you can paste it there on the register app section. Click on register app and wait for some time. Now you can just download the service file from there. Just download it and click on next, and you can just click on next and continue to console. Okay, once you are done that, open your APK section and you can just upload that service file which you are downloaded. You can upload the service file. Just upload the file, and this app bundle option is for Play Store. Okay, now click on build and wait for some time. It will take some time. You need to wait for 5 minutes about, and you can download the app. Now your app is downloaded in a zip file, so you need to open the zip file and you can extract that file and you can copy that file to your mobile phone and you can use it on your mobile phone. Okay, once you copy that, you can install on your mobile phone. Install the file and now your app is installed and everything is working perfect. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.